Determine the equation of the least squares regression line. Here we go. So for past exam questions, past papers, and study notes, visit allpastpapers.com. Also, I might not solve all the questions on this question paper here on YouTube. So if you want access to the entire memo, go to allpastpapers.com, not .co.za.com. Right, so let's take a look. There were 11 cars of the same model for sale at a car dealership. The age in years of each car and its corresponding selling price in rands is provided in the table below. 1.1, determine the equation of the least squares regression line. So obviously, we're going to use our calculator to do that. So I'm going to press Shift 9 and clear my calculator. All right, and then after doing that, I press Mode Setup, and then I press 2, which says stats. And then after that, I'm going to press number 2 because it says A plus BX. That is the least squares regression line. So 1.1 y is equals to A plus BX. So I'm looking for the value of A and I'm looking for the value of B, but I'm going to use my calculator. So when I press 2, I get a table with X and Y. Right, so in place of X, that will be the age of the car. In place of Y will be the selling price. So what is the data? I have 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. But it is very important that you actually verify that you've entered the correct data. So 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. Right, I'm happy with the data that I've entered in the x-axis, right, the x values. And then the selling price is in thousands, right? So instead of writing 000, I'm just gonna write times 10 to the power 3, right? So 293 times 10 to the power 3, 265 times 10 to the power 3, 256 times 10 to the power 3, 219 times 10 to the power 3, 241 times 10 to the power 3, 246 times 10 to the power 3, 226 times 10 to the power 3, 176 times 10 to the power 3, 154 times 10 to the power 3 as well, and then 180 times 10 to the power 3, 148 times 10 to the power 3. Right, so I've entered the data. Let me just verify something. 1, 2, okay, so 11 cars, so that is supposed to be 11. Right, so now that I've entered all the data, I'm going to press equals to, right? And then after I do that, I'm going to press AC and then Shift 1. I go to 4, which says not 4, Shift 1, and then I go to 5, which says REG, regression, right? And then A in my calculator is number 1, so I'm going to press 1 and equals to. The value of A that I'm getting is 331,397.2 if I round it off to 2 decimal places. And then the value of B, Shift 1, 5 for regression, and then 2 is B. That is minus 22988.32 as well. So there we go. This is the value of A, this is the value of B. But now Y is equals to 331,397.2 minus 22988.32x. Right, that is the equation of the least squares regression line. And then 1.2, determine the selling price of a similar car at this car dealership that is 5 years old. So Y is equals to 331.972. Let me erase 331,397.2 minus 22988.32 multiplied by x, the number of years, which is 5. Right, so Y is equals to. So I need to put that in my calculator. 331,397.2 minus 22988.32 multiplied by 5. This is 216,455.6. So in rands, the 216,455.6. Yeah, because it is in rands. So the value of A 331,397.2, and then the value of B 22988.32 multiplied by 5. Okay, I'll explain why I'm double checking that. So that is the answer to 1.2. And then the answer to 1.3, use the correlation coefficient to show whether the prediction made in question 1.2 is valid or not. Okay, so I was thinking about that. Here in 1.2, the answer for 5 years old car, for a 5 years old car, the price is 216, right? But then when we come to our table, okay, we have two prices for 4 years, 219 and 246. And then for 6 years, we have 176 and 226. So does 216 make sense for a 5-year-old car? Makes a bit of sense. So okay, correlation shift 1, 5 regression, correlation R is 3 in my calculator, and then I get R being equals to minus 0.95. So based on the correlation coefficient, the prediction we made in 1.2 is valid. Yes, so it is valid, right? It is valid. Is it 1 mark? It is 2 marks. It is valid because R, well, I cannot say that R is closer to 1 because R is closer to minus 1 instead, right? We can say R greater than or less than minus 0.9. Yeah, when the correlation is very close to 1 or very close to minus 1, then there's a strong correlation. In this instance, it is a strong negative correlation, and then if it was positive, it will be a strong positive correlation. 1.4, use the answer to question 1.1 to write down the estimated average yearly decrease in the selling price of these cars, right? So let's come back here to the equation. That is the equation. The equation is saying write down the estimated average yearly decrease in the selling price of these 11 cars. So average, what comes to your mind when you hear about average? The gradient shall come to your mind because the gradient is average, right? So the answer to 1.4 therefore would be the yearly decrease would be, what is the gradient? 229.88, 22988.32. That is the estimated average yearly decrease in the selling price of these cars. Past papers, study notes at allpastpapers.com. Which video do you want me to do next? Let me know in the comment section.